Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment, a browser and a plain HTML file. Open that file in your editor, then insert a script tag in the body. Next, type document. Write "Hello World" so you see immediate output. This first step shows how document.write directly injects content into the document stream. It's synchronous and runs during page parsing. Once done, save and reload the page to confirm the text appears where the script tag sits. Now make the output dynamic. Declare variables, then build strings and write them. For example, let name equals Sam document. Write p plus name plus /p. This shows why concatenation matters for structure. If you need conditional text, use if statements and then document. Write inside those branches, making sure to run during parsing. Once you combine logic with writes, your page prints tailored content. But remember, document.write replaces the whole document if used after load, so plan timing carefully. To finish, wrap generated text in tags, paragraphs, divs, or lists so styling applies and accessibility improves. Save and retest across browsers. If nothing shows, open the console to catch syntax errors or missing quotes. If you see a blank page, make sure you did not call document. Right after the page finished loading, because that will overwrite the document. As a troubleshooting tip, move the script into the body where you want content, or switch to DOM methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.